Brian Sensei here. Have you ever wanted to create fun meme videos of yourself or your loved ones like this? Or like this? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these using an AI tool called Dreamface. Let's check it out. To get started, head on over to dreamfaceapp.com. You'll find a link in the description below. All right, once you're here, go ahead and click Start Now and get your free account. Once you're logged in, we're going to go down here and click on the Act button here, or you can come up to the Home button at the top and look for Act here. Go ahead and click into this, and this is called Dream Act. The way this works is you upload a reference video to make your avatar imitate the same motion. And you can see examples here, and you can actually use the motions of these existing videos. And so down here at the bottom, you're going to see you need to provide a reference video, which can be one of these. And then you need to provide the character image, which is the image of the person that you want swapped out with the original character. So I'm going to go ahead and select one of these existing video clips. Let's take a look at this one over here. I kind of like this guy here dancing in this nice suit. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Go Create. Notice down here, it's going to place that video clip down here from my reference. Notice here I've selected Swap Avatar in Video. You can also select Add Motion to Photo. All right, now here all I need is my character image. When you click on this, you can upload from your local device or select from other image assets that you've already uploaded to Dreamface. I'm going to go ahead and upload one. And I'm going to go ahead and use this photo of myself, and we will open. All right, and you can see I've got that image there ready to go. Under Advanced, you're going to see that your resolution quality is 480p. However, you can get 720p if you sign up for the Pro account. I'll stick with 480p, and I'll go ahead and click Create. Okay, and here you'll see it's generating. This is the moment where you can go get yourself a cup of tea and relax for a moment, and then come back when it's ready to view. Okay, it looks like the video is ready to go. Let's go ahead and click on it. And I'm going to unmute it here so we can hear the audio. Wow, not bad. Pretty amazing. Although I will say my face doesn't quite look the way it normally does. That's probably because I need a photo that has a much clearer picture of my face. All right, so over here on the right, we can go ahead and name this. I'll call it Brian Dance Meme. And we can go down here and download the video to our desktop and use it other ways. Or we can redo it and have it reprocessed for maybe a better result. All right, let's go back now. And I'm going to go back into our Act Creator. And this time I'm going to upload my own reference video. So I'll click here, Upload from Local. And I've got this video clip of a guy doing a backflip. So that will be my reference. All right, and then I'll use my character image. And this time I'll select image assets because I'm going to use the image I already uploaded right here. So I'll select that, confirm, and there we are. We're ready to go. Let's click Create.
A few moments later.
Okay, it looks like we're ready to go. Let's click on this one. And boom shakalaka. Nice. I'm going to play that one more time. Sweet. And just so you know, it kept the original audio of the video clip. All right, and that is how you use the Act Creator with Dreamface app. Let me know what you'll create in the comments below.
Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like